Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Square again. Okay, in this video we will draw this fish. Okay, so if you all guys did not subscribe to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification. Okay, so now we go to code.org and build our project to draw the fish. Okay, so this is old project, you can delete it. Okay, and reset and run again and show the grid again. Okay, so for the first I have to set the nose stroke. Okay, so the fish nose stroke. Okay, and after that I draw the fish is the body. Okay, for the first draw its body. So the field of the fish I set it to violet. Okay, sorry, with the quote. Okay, double quote, violet. Okay, that's color it. After that I need an ellipse to make the circles. Okay, and I set go to H150 with the Y position in 200, and the size should be around 200. That is the big fish. Okay, reset and run. Okay, this fish. Okay, okay, and after that I have to set the that is like the ear of fish. Okay, so now I need a fill again. This fill I set it is to another color that is called the dark third. Okay, this color, and after that I need an ellipse. That ellipse should be go to position 175 and 195. Okay, reset. Okay, okay, it's here. And after that, in order to make it more like realistic, you have or you need another two of shape. Okay, and with the fill of the same, the body is the violet. Okay, and this ellipse should be overlap to the last one. Okay, so it's go to the 160, go to 174.5. Okay, and another one is go to lip again, go to position is 160, the same 221.5. Okay, we can use the dot like that, reset and run. Okay, it like this. And after that, after the body, I have to draw the tail of the fish. So the tail of the fish, okay, it's here. Okay, with the fill, I use the fill for the tail is the deep sky blue. Okay, deep sky blue. Okay, and after that, I use an ellipse. For the first is go to 230, and after that 200, and after that 90, like that. Okay, reset and run. It's here, but it's overlap here, right? So what you have to do is cut it and go to the top and paste it here. Reset and run again. It's like that. Okay, you see? So you need another two, and the next is the top 175 with the 130, and the size of this it should be around 100. This one is like a little bit big, and another one is 180, 280 Y position, and the size should be around 70. Okay, reset and run. Okay, it's here. And next what you have to do is to draw the eye. Okay, the eye and the dot. So first we draw the eyes. Draws eyes again. Okay, the eye you need to first, the first one is you need to fill with the fill is Y. And after that, you need a new ellipse. That ellipse is the size of the egg. It should be 90, 170, okay, and the size is around 45. So that is the eye, the first eye, and you have another one is ellipse. Oh, I used this one with the position of 140, 170, the size of the eye the same, 45 like that. Okay, and after that you have another field is the the last one if in the eye is the blue. So you have to set it blue, and after that you need two ellipse more. These two ellipses equal to around 90 of x and 170 of y, and size should be 35. Okay, another ellipse is go to the same position is 140 and 170 and 35 like that. Okay, reset and run. That's cool. So another one is the mouse. Okay, the mouse of fish. Oh, the fish, what you have to set it is like for the first one is the, so I need to draw mouse. Okay, you have to fill for the first. I use a color of deep pink. Okay, and it's go to ellipse again. We use only ellipse 115 and 225 with the size of the mouth should be around 40. Okay, like that. And after that you have to fill another one is should be blue again, and this one is a little bit smaller than this. The last ellipse is go to 115 again, 225 the same, but the size should be around 25 only. Okay, reset and run. Okay, that's cool. And another one, what you have to do is the 5 dot near the tail is here. Okay, okay, now we draw the dot. Okay, so I use a fill color with deep pink again, deep sky blue, not deep pink. Okay, deep sky blue. Okay, and I need 5 ellipse. Okay, for the first one is go to X position 222 and Y is 160, and the size should be around 14. Reset and run. This is the top one here, and after that you go down a little bit with the X position is go to right a little bit and go down there a little bit too, the side the same. Okay, okay, like this. Another lip is go to 230 and the size should be 200 and size the same. Okay, reset and run, and you need two more. It should be around 226. Okay, 220, size 14 again. Okay, we need only the last one of the ellipse. It is around 221 and 240 of x and 14 of side. Okay, let's try. Okay, now our fish is completely done. Okay, we use only the ellipse, right? So, and you can make the like the fish in the sea, so you can set the background of draw background. Okay, and after that you have to use the rectangle. Start from 0 to 0, and the size is 400 by 400. Okay, and the color you have to fill it. What is the color of the sea? Okay, now we use the cyan color. What about it? Reset and run. Okay, this is a fish in the sea. Okay, so any you can try another shape to make something more, but in this video I just make this. Okay, make the fish in the sea is only. Okay, I hope your guy can do it. So that's all for me in this video. See you again in the next video. Okay.